One of the key ways that you interact with your teacher and your classmates in a Davidson online course is through your live sessions. This video is designed to help you with some live session etiquette tips that will ensure that you're successful in your live sessions. The first step to being successful in your live session is to be on time. Now, whether you're using an old-fashioned timepiece or a newfangled Apple Watch, make sure that you log into your session 10 minutes ahead of time so that you can ensure that everything is working appropriately. Also, that 10 minutes allows you time to test the technology. The most important thing is to make sure that you have a reliable internet connection and that it's able to handle the software that will be run during your live session. Those two pieces of software are Adobe Connects and Blackboard. Adobe Connects is the platform on which you will be able to interact using voice and video with your teacher and classmates. Make sure you test the tech. Make sure everything is working. Adobe Connects has built-in features that will allow you to test the audio and video to ensure that you're all set. When you're in there, make sure to test the audio quality. That is, how is your microphone sounding? Can those in the class hear you? And check your video background. You want to make sure that there's a clean and appropriate background behind you. You never know what somebody's seeing behind you if you're not checking your background. Minimize distractions in your workspace during live sessions. This may mean closing all other applications, including YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or anything else that could be used to draw your attention away from the live classroom. You only have 1 hour a week to interact with your classmates and build your learning community, so being active during that time is very important. Be sure to speak clearly when you're in your live session. So work on your pronunciation and your diction. It may help to practice these in a mirror before you get online for the first time. Or even record yourself and play it back using your own smartphone or other technology, just to hear how you sound to others. Be sure to actively participate in your live session. Being a part of Davidson Online gives you a rare opportunity to interact with your intellectual same-age peers across the United States, and being an active participant is going to help you get the most from this class. With that said, make sure that you're encouraging others to participate as well. Your classmates are an important part of this learning community as well. So giving each other a positive and supportive environment where it's safe to take risks, share ideas, and ask questions is going to make your Davidson Online class the best. Be sure to self-monitor. There's a fine line, a fine balance between contributing to the classroom and dominating the classroom. So ask yourself some reflective questions as you contribute to make sure that others have an opportunity to contribute as well and that you're not dominating the conversation. Be sure to stay on that balance of being a listener and a contributor. Use the chat functions wisely. In Adobe Connect, you will have the opportunity to use the chat function to chat with classmates or with your teacher. Please know that every chat that you send can be seen by the teacher, even if you send it as a private chat. And always make sure that your chats are appropriate for the content that's being discussed. Ask for clarification. If you don't understand something that the teacher is explaining, make sure to ask for questions so that you can better understand the content. If one of your classmates is talking and you don't understand what they're talking about, make sure to ask them as well. Again, you only have this 1 hour a week to interact live with your classmates and your teacher, so it's important that you are very clear about what is expected of you and what was discussed during that time. We hope these tips and tricks will help you be successful from the get-go with your Davidson Live sessions. We're really excited about having you as a part of the Davidson Online community.